this video we're going to unbox this espresso. Look at this. I have two fans over here, Regina over here, and Maria is over there. Come on, let's go. Made in Ukraine. Come on, made in Ukraine, Baba. Not China. Made in Ukraine. This is espresso Zinza Mini. Okay. Gusto is galit. Don't. Yeah, you know you can have it. No. Oh, what is this? What is this? Wow. No. Pitado. Oh, etiquette, pamphlet. What is this? Oh, why you're fighting? Are you Kajos Dio? Akala. Huh? Bistro fame on 100 euro. For what? 60 capsules. San epistrophe. Don't see no liko puso epistrophes and ato de vaso nita. We'll read it later. Look at this price. Best deal. So here it is the machine of Nespresso. Oh, look at that, guys. This mini Nespresso machine. Okay, and here's the other one. Attach. This is. Hey, why you starting to bite that? This is the frother, milk frother. This is a milk frother. This is the attachment. This one is the cover. Yes, yeah, this is the cover. There it is. Cover. And here is the milk frother. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that, guys. Nespresso. Look. Oh, wow, look at that. It's only here. The machine is half of it, almost. And here is the attachment down there. And you have to do it like that. And this, you can remove this one to clean. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. That is for today.